Okay, guys. Right, so let's look at this question here. And it's a question about a list of ingredients. So this is a list of ingredients for making chicken soup for 4 people. So I've highlighted 4 people there because that's an important piece of information. So these are the ingredients for the 4 people. And they include 60 grams of butter, 300 grams chicken, 150 milliliters of cream, 1 onion, and 640 milliliters of chicken stock. Bill is going to make the chicken soup for 6 people. Okay. Although these are the ingredients for 4. So work out the amount of each ingredient that he needs. This is the question. To work out the amount of ingredient that he needs. So we can start off with the fact that for 6 people, change that color. Otherwise, white is not going to appear on there. So this is for 4 people, right? So we could say that 60 grams, in this case, is for 4 people. So what about one person? If we divide this by 4, we get 1 person. We divide this by 4, we get 15 grams. So 15 grams is for 1 person. Then we take the 15 grams and multiply it by 6. So it's going to need 90 grams for 6 people. So for the butter, it's going to need 90 grams. Okay? For the chicken is 300 grams for 4. So if I divide that by 4, I get 1 person. Divide that by 4, I get 75. Then multiply the 75 times 6. 30, 33, that's 42, 45. So it's going to need 450 grams for the chicken. 150 mils is for 4 people. So 1 person will be 150 divided by 4. So 150 divided by 4 is 1 person, then multiplied by 6 people. You get 2 there, you get 3. 2 into 150 is 75. Then you do 75 times 3, which is 15, carry 1. 21, 22. So 225 for the cream, milliliters. Then 1 onion is 4 people. So 1 person is 1/4. So 1/4 times 6 people is 3/2, which is 1.5. So it's going to need 1.5 onions. Then 640. The 640, might as well change color a little bit. The 640 is for 4 people. So 1 person is going to be 640 divided by 4. If you half this, you get 320. If you half it again, you get 160. So 1 person will be 160. Then multiply that by 6, you get 0. And then 6 times 6 is 36, carry 3. 6 times 1 is 6, and 3 is 9. So you need 960. 960 grams, milliliters for the chicken stock. Okay? So that's it, guys. That's the whole of this question. So we can just, I think it's better to write the answers here. So we say 960. Onions 1.5. The cream 225. The chicken 450. And the butter was 90 grams. All right. And that's it for now.